might make it cheaper in the long run.
Yeah. It feels different, but feels better.
Oh, it's newer. Yeah, it's newer. It's
Yeah.
nicer. It's more
99, I
well-kept.
guess.
Yeah, better than 72, whatever that thing is. Too bad it doesn't have the 430 in it, though.
Yeah.
That's why it's a lot less beat up, because everyone used 370 for their instrument rating.
Oh.
What do you think? This one, another one? Should be okay for today?
Yeah, I think it's good.
How does do no flaps on this one?
No flaps?
No flaps? And you see no flaps in this condition, it'll be like you have 30 flaps usually.
Right.
That's as far as ground speed goes. Airspeed, going to be probably a little bit higher. So we'll just maybe float for a little bit longer, but with the headwind, it's really going to feel the same as a 30 degree flaps.
Five Sierra Papa, ready to turn left base.
5 Sierra Papa, runway 6 left, clear for the option.
6 left, clear for the option. 5 Sierra Papa.
Wow. Doesn't feel the same. Now it does.
Kind of skidded around there with the wind.
Yeah.
So many birds down here. Yeah, look at your airspeed.
80.
Right. Trim it down to 70. That trims it. That. Okay, right aileron. Nice.
How was that?
Perfect. It's a little nerve-wracking not seeing where you're going,
Yeah.
but it ends up being a much better landing. That was great.
Are you taking the whole family back to Israel or just you?
No, just me. Have some things to take care of. You're going to be gone that whole time almost anyway, right?
Well, I got to go see my grandmother now. She's not doing well on
Sorry to
Tuesday.
hear that.
And I'll be back Wednesday. I may, if the weather's nice, I may try to fly Wednesday.
Yep.
And I come
Well,
back
if
Sunday.
tomorrow looks like today and like it did the other day, so you're good to solo. You're good. I didn't do anything today.
So, do you think we'll solo tomorrow?
You might be able to. I mean, if we fly and then I give you the endorsement, I can just hop out and you can go by yourself. Feeling comfortable?
Yeah,
Yeah, you got it, right?
I do. This is a little different being this, can't see everything right off the bat.
Yep.
Instruments-wise, just a little
Good. That's
different look. But yeah,
better. All the more so.
I wasn't so sure about the headwind today. But then, like you
Easier.
said, it's what it is, yeah.
50 Papa, ready to turn left base.
50 Papa, runway 6 left, clear for the option.
We're going to make this a full stop for 50 Papa.
Roger.
Okay, engine out.
Come on,
Pull
it's
out
our
the
last
engine.
one.
Yeah, pull out the engine.
Is out.
I just want to show you something. Headroom for 6.
Yep, it is.
Okay. I put power in.
Do what?
So what happens when you have this type of headwind condition?
I go really slow.
Yeah,
And
you're
have to-
really slow, right?
Yeah.
You see that? So you got to keep that in mind if you get an engine out. I mean, that could happen at any moment. And so we're talking always about maintaining gliding distance from the runway.
Right.
So usually where we were is a gliding distance from the runway. Usually.
Right.
But today, it's a little bit borderline.
It is. Yep.
Okay, so try and hold 60. Let's see how far we get. So gliding, this is what I want to show you. The gliding distance changes every day based on the wind. Something we got to keep in mind. Are we going to make it? I think we will.
We'll try this at home.
Our last one. Let's.
Just don't make it the real last one.
We're good. Perfect. Just made it. Just made it. Now once you pull up that nose, it's going to stall on you because we're so slow. So let it come down real close. Good. Hold it. Don't release. Hold it here. Let it come down a little bit. Hold it more. Hold it more. Hold it more. Good. All right. Good. All right. Let's make Bravo. Save you some more time.
Pop right, turn 1 able, cross 6 right, taxi depart.
Make a right turn on Bravo. Cross 6 right to the gate. 50 Papa.
All right. Good. Just made it, huh? Just made it.
Just made it.
Yep. So keep that in mind. Got a big headwind. Always try and maintain gliding distance. That one was really close. Amazing that's 60, right? How much that gives you?
But yeah, it's absolutely amazing. I hung out with my dad today, and we were talking about it. He didn't remember. I don't know if you remember that or not, but we were kind of talking through it, and I was just saying how amazed I was how these things can glide.
Yeah.
I know I have to wear this, especially for my check rides. It drives me crazy.
Yeah.
But even right now, I don't have to have a landing light on, like a taxi light or anything like that. Is that a correct statement?
Yeah. Yeah. When is the landing light required?
Well, after sunset. Hour after sunset, right?